Well, it's a lovely morning. However, it is supposed to get very extremely windy today and tonight into tomorrow. So bad of winds that we need to take down our flag. We need to put the grill away and the tables away and all the bird feeders away and the chairs away and probably even our patio mat. Because the winds are supposed to be what?
40 to 50 straight winds, gusting 65 to 75 miles per hour, which 75 is hurricane force winds. I think 74 is, maybe.
Hopefully that's an exaggeration for us, but we're going to be prepared anyway. Also, Tom needs to lay down the solar panels.
Definitely.
So Dave is leaving today. He's going back to a park in town. So anyway, we need to get busy doing that.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Dave's getting ready to leave, so we're gonna watch him go. Woo! A little bit of a dip there. Bear, Uncle Dave's leaving. He's leaving before the big winds are gonna hit us. So our patio area is all put away. All I need to do is get the bird feeders down, and we're gonna leave the mat, so we'll see. It should be okay. See you till next time. So we survived last night. There were some pretty good big gusts that woke me up. I don't know if they woke Tom up, but it's still blowing today. I mean, look at this. Wind hair, don't care.
Hey!
Hey, yeah, I'm not turning the camera around to me. So, of course, it's calmed down when I got the camera, but it just was gusting pretty badly. We've been rocking and rolling for hours. That little trailer survived. A lot of people left yesterday before it got bad. Those people repositioned. They were broadside of where the wind would be blowing. You can't see the mountains over there. The dirt is just blowing around. You can see it pretty good there. The bird feeder is swaying. It's probably dumped out all of its food. But when I went to go take it down yesterday, there was a little bird there and they were still eating. So I was like, okay, I'll leave it. It was hooked up on a branch and it wasn't moving at all, but it's been blown up away from it since. Put it back out tomorrow. Yeah, you can see the dirt blowing. I don't know if it shows up on the camera or not, but if you look, you can see it. So we are definitely staying inside today. We put a bunch of rocks on our mat last night, or yesterday afternoon when we put everything else away. So it did not blow away. Anyway, fun times in the desert. Windy, blustery day.
So it's been pretty crazy windy out here in the desert. Standing right behind this thing is a nice windbreak. But holy cow, has it been dusty and windy the last 24 hours. This is just crazy. And it may not look like it's dusty, but it is dusty. Blowing up all kinds of stuff.
And the lovely weather continues into today. Today's Thursday, February 23rd, because it's our Max's birthday. We are now the grandparents of a 15-year-old. But look at the loveliness, the dark clouds, the wind, the rain.
The dust.
Yeah, the dirt, the dust, the rain. Oh, look at all that dirt. Whew.
It's gonna be raining mud.
Yeah, lovely. Look, there's some blue and some sunshine. Temporarily.
No.
Fun stuff.
No.
So I'm getting ready to make some cookies.
It's about
I
time.
need to warm it up in here. Fun stuff. Lovely weather. Well, today is a much nicer day. We have new neighbors over here. But the winds have died down to almost nothing. There's a gust here and there. But this is just for like right this moment. We had some rain yesterday and some wind, and it seemed windier yesterday than even the day before.
Yeah, it actually did.
So,
Hey, it's beautiful this morning.
it is a gorgeous morning.
What a
It's
great day to
warm.
go do some errands.
I know, instead of sitting outside and enjoying it, we're gonna go do some errands. Oh well, gotta do it. RV life doesn't mean vacation life.
No.
So here we go back into town. Our neighbor vans over here came back. They left during the really, really bad wind. Don't know where they went, but they came back yesterday morning, right?
Yeah.
I think. Yep. So still peaceful and quiet like we love it. And a beautiful sunny morning with minimal wind.
It's nice. You know, it's all part of RV life. And again,
I mean, everybody has weather.
that's pretty much what this channel is about. It's our RV life. Just our day-to-day living.
Day to
To
day.
kind of prove to you that it's not all action and adventures. It's not all help you fix this type of videos.
Right.
It's just kind of us being us.
Yep.
And we're glad you're with us.
And living in an RV. So that's it for the bad weather for now. We're here for a few more days still, so we hopefully will enjoy some nicer weather for the next few days before we head further southeast.
Southeast?
Right?
I don't think so.
No?
No.
Tucson's not to the east a little bit?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Southeast. Yeah, of where we are now. Yes.
I don't have my Garmin up here.
I guess not. Clear.
Okay.
Alrighty then.
There we go.
See ya. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Fine, I'll do it myself.
Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky.